Hello friends, welcome to penhouse. In this video, we are going to see a short review on penhouse M5RS black body and red stylus click ball pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on this pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this is a matte finished looking black color body click pen, and in the click portion, means in the retractable portion, there is a red color stylus. Stylus is used to swipe your pens, used to use in phones, mobile phones, touch phones, and it is a very good soft click type one. And to check the refill, you can unscrew this portion. It is a thread type one, and here it is a jotter refill. A slim jotter it is, but you can use a thick jotter also. And there is a spring, that is the most important thing in all retractable pens. And absolutely you can get this refills easily from anywhere with different colors and in any brands. And we can do engraving on this pen. As it is a metal pen, we can do engraving or your names or logos or whatever the message you are giving in this pen. And let me give the writing sample of this. A very smooth writing and a very good ink flow is this. And let me show you the engraving sample. This is the same pen. The engraving sample is this. We can do names, sample names or logos in this. What the content you are giving, that will be engraved in this part, not the penhouse and all. And for stylus sample, here, let me take this mobile phone. You can do like this. You can, if you touch, this will move. You can use this for Android phones. Yes, with this you can't write in the phones, just for touching, for the hand purpose. And we are doing corporate orders too, so means a large amount of order will be done with this like this pens, as we are having these pens in a large quantity. And for pen boxes, you can prefer like this. This is a single pen box. We can do engraving in the pen and some details in means some messages you can engrave in the box, and you can keep the pen inside this. So like this, then you can give someone or present someone or use this for your own purpose too. And this is a single pen box. And here, this is the double pen box. You can hold 2 good pens in this. And this is one of the sample. Their logo and the message is given here. Whatever your logos, we can do perfectly. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.